Hey, seventh graders, welcome back. We are 1.3 example 3, and this is some real life stuff here, is what they call it. So, which continent has the greater range of elevations? And range, if you remember from sixth grade, maybe you do, maybe you don't, that's the difference between the largest and the smallest. Okay, so if I have $2, you have $10, the range is 8, right? So you subtract the smallest from the largest. So we have highest elevation in North America, 6,198. The highest in Africa, 5,895. The lowest, -86 and -155. So which continent has the greater range of elevation? So here's what we do. We find the range of elevations for each continent, subtract the lowest elevation from the highest. So we're going to subtract here. So North America, we have 6,198 minus -86, which remember, add the opposite. This is actually plus 86, okay? So adding the opposite anytime you have two negatives in a row, that's actually adding. And 6,284 would be your answer. So Africa, 5,895 minus -155. Again, this is add the opposite. So this is actually plus 155, and you end up with 6,050. So the greater range is in North America. That's farthest distance. Okay? All right, let's take a
Which
look at some
continent
more
has the
here.
greater range
So
of
we're looking at
elevation?
range again,
We have
same type of
South
question. Let's
America
take a look
and
at the
Europe
tutorial here.
with their highest elevation and their lowest elevation. Now remember, the range is the difference between the greatest value and the lowest value. So to find the range, we will subtract the lowest elevation from the highest elevation. Let's start with South America. South America's highest elevation is 6,960, and then we subtract the lowest elevation, which is -40. So we have 6,960 minus -40. So to subtract these two integers, we will add the opposite. So we have 6,960 plus the opposite of -40, which is +40. So we have 6,960 plus 40. Then we just add as we would whole numbers. 6,960 plus 40 is equal to 7,000. So the range is 7,000 meters. Now let's find the range for Europe. Europe's highest elevation is 5,642. Then we subtract the lowest elevation, which is -92. Again, since we are subtracting integers, let's add the opposite. So we have 5,642. Then we add the opposite of -92, which is +92. So we have 5,642 plus 92. And that equals 5,734. So the range of elevation is 5,734 meters. So now compare 7,000 meters to 5,734 meters. So 7,000 is greater than 5,734. So South America has the greater range of elevation.
All right, there you